Okay, so I'm working on this 32 by 40 Eclipse, and this is the Y-axis gantry actuator, and it was having a little problem positioning the cutting head. And this is the pulley right here on the main axle that goes through, that runs the belt. Now look, this is loose. See that wobble right there? See how that wobbles right there? Watch that line. Yeah. See, that's not good. That causes a problem with your overcuts. So to fix that, I have to loosen this screw, remove this nut, check everything, make sure that the set screw or the keyway is good, and then put it back on and make sure this nut is tightened up so that this can't move like this. Okay? Okay, so you see the difference in those two lines right there? That's how far that nut was loose. So now that the nut is tight, you see the slot lines up with this second line, not with the first line. Now it's all tight and it won't move. So that's good. Okay, so I'm showing you the motor mounted here, motor, parallel belt housing here, and it's called a parallel belt housing because this axis is parallel to that axle, and they're connected with this belt, this timing belt. There is a special cover that goes on there which I'll install, and I'll tension this belt up, and then we'll be finished. Okay, so now the cover plate is installed with these 4 special bolts, and to tighten this belt right here, you get your 3mm wrench and you get in there to those 4 button screws, you loosen them up and you pull down on the motor until the belt is tight, and then you tighten the screws up. Tight. Okay, now there's a cover plate that'll go on there to finish it up. Okay, so there, that's all finished up now. It's got the cover plate on. This is not the serial number of your Eclipse. This is the serial number of the actuator plate, of the actuator kit system.